also say hi, my brother.
Hello, everybody.
I want to give you a shout out too, man.
Gotcha. I buy 5 there, yeah. Oh yeah, no go there. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Thank you. Ah. Good morning, everybody. Thumpr fishing. So if you noticed that the last couple days I've just been posting, little shorts and stuff of the previous video, that's because I had all those scheduled to post while I was away. The wife and I, if you remember, we were celebrating our 20-year anniversary of marriage on the 29th of December. But with it, that's so close to the holidays and everything, a lot of things are just so crowded and booked that we usually kind of celebrate it a few weeks after. Went down to Pompomo Beach, Fort Lauderdale area. Had a blast. I did find my way to go check out some of it's like a northeastern part of the Everglades, just the tip, like right before you get to Alligator Alley. And I only fished for about 45 minutes. Like I said, me and the wife were trying to spend time and do stuff. But I did cast out for about 45 minutes near this airboat ride tour place. And I did see a couple bass, but all I caught was an invasive species. Go figure, right? Anyway, this is the first thing I've caught in the Everglades. Check it out. All right, well, on vacation, figure I'd check out the Everglades, just the northern tip of it, nothing too crazy, but we're gonna give it a go right over here, see what we can get into. I'm not sure what to even use. Not sure at all, actually. But I'm gonna try this Mirodine. See if I can't get something to bite. Well, my first Everglades evasive species. I've got myself a nice pleco here. These are an armored catfish, evasive. I'm surprised he hit that. Unless I snagged him, I don't know, it's right in the mouth though. Look at that guy. That's a pretty fish right there. Let's get this guy back. Gotta find your way out, buddy. All right, so what are we gonna do today? Well, everybody, today, let me get over here real quick, get positioned. All right, well, so what are we up to today? Well, I've got that urge to get back out on the water. It's, when I start approaching a week of without fishing, I need to go out. I don't even need to catch fish. I just need to go out. And so that's what we're going to do today. It's Friday. It's going to get really, really cold the next few days. I almost dropped an F-bomb there. But that's kind of been the struggle inshore fishing right now. There's some guys that just completely take January off and not fish. But water's really, really low. A lot of areas, the water's very clear. And then, of course, the really cold temperatures. It's a lot different than the norm, right? So, but we're going to try and get after it today. We're gonna go meet up with my buddy Nelson, and we are gonna go try an area in the Merritt Island Wildlife Refuge. That's me and my buddy Nelson's stomping grounds. We love fishing out there, and we're gonna just see and have a good day and see if we can't get on any fish today. So, my channel just the other day hit its 2-year birthday. I know, surprising, right? I have been able to advance and excel at a very nice pace, and that's just because you got to keep getting out there. The more days you spend on the water, every hour that those lures and lines are in the water, you should be learning at every moment. If you're not, then you're doing something wrong. And honestly, a lot of it is you guys, the subscribers, the followers that are constantly giving me little tips and tricks and emails, and I've met up with a lot of you guys. I'm trying to meet up with more of you. I have a list, and I learned so much stuff. But even before I moved to Florida, I was watching guys out here fish, and one of them was KO Fishing. I'm sure a lot of you guys watch him as well. Great fishing content, shore, surf fishing, kayak fishing, you name it. And he even does charters now. So definitely go check him out. I'm actually going to put a link to his charter stuff and his and all that in the description so you guys can check it out, because he does have an extra kayak. So if you've been questioning if you want to get into kayak fishing, I would highly recommend it. KO Fishing is going to be joining us fishing today. So that should be really cool, and it's going to be really awesome to finally meet up with him. Like I said, I've been watching him and learning a lot of stuff from his videos that have got me to this point. So enough jibber jabber. I think I've made this intro a little bit too long. Let's go get after it. It's 51 degrees. All right, we'll stay bundled up and wish us some luck. All right, guys, catch you over there. Peace.
Say hi, my brother.
Hello, everybody.
I already gave you a shout out too, man. I'm gonna link your YouTube channel as well. So
Same here.
that's it. Appreciate it. And here we are.
Fish on.
That's it. Hopefully we'll be fish on. Stay tuned. Yeah, that'll be cool.
What's up, everybody? All right, we're back out. We got our buddy KO. He's got his wife with him today. We're gonna go get on some fish. Beautiful day. At this moment, catching something's gonna be a bonus, but fingers crossed. Let's see if we can't get something. Some big snook over here. Cruising the mangroves. Yeah, they're tucked in there. There's about 6 of them. Oh, damn, just lost it. He hit it. Let's see if we can't get him again. I'm guessing it was a trout. Gotcha. Nice little trout. There we go. We're on the board. A nice trout on the purple kicker crab there. Hang on. Look at that beauty. All right, get you back. All right. I'm almost positive there's another one in there. So let's go back and get another one. That was what, maybe an 18-inch trout? Let's hit reverse now. We don't want to spook these guys, because they're in there. I think I see some underneath the mangroves over there. Alright, ready? Let's try and get them. There we go. Oh, just lost it. That might be a little red nipping at it. He messed up the tail. He's grabbing the tail. Let's see if we can't get back in there. Oh, he's hitting it real lightly. Where did he go? I think I see him over here. Really, you gotta get it under those mangroves a little bit. All right, let's try it. You gotta get it under that mangrove. There we go. Boom. What is it? Trout? Snook? Gotcha! Got a nice snook in there. Nice trout, nice snook. Look at that snook. Beauty. Thank you, buddy. All right. I told you there was some fish in there. That was fish number 2 in that little corner over there. Fix my lure here on the purple kicker crab. That's actually the first snook on the kicker crab, surprisingly. All right, like I said, we're casting underneath that mangrove over there. Would that be crazy if we can get a whole inshore slam in one spot? I'm pretty sure there's a little redfish in there that's messing with my stuff, so maybe we can we can get a slam all in one little 5x5 area. Oh, there's another snook back there. He's way back there though. See, I gotta try and get my cast underneath those mangroves. The fish are super shallow right now. Let's see if we can get it under there. There we go. I just skipped them all the way over there. Oh, already? No! Damn. I skipped it under there and he hit it. Damn. I can't seem to skip it in there just right. I can see him munching over there. Trying to get a cast in there is the hard part. My GoPro's like malfunctioning right now. My GoPro just turned on out of nowhere. He's in there. Come on, just one good cast in there. That's all I need. Let's move a little closer maybe. Real slightly move in. Nice and easy here. See if we can't get him. There we go. Oh my gosh. There was a bunch. There's one. Oh yeah. No, get out of there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it was a bunch of snook snacked back there. I told you guys. They were just stacked up in there. That's a nice snook too. Got him! Nice. We're tearing up the snook today, everybody. Woo! That's a beauty. Holy guacamole. Let's get a good measurement on this one. What do we got? Just a shy over 23-inch snook. Beauty right there. Oh boy, thank you. Thank you. Ah, what a fatty. All right, buddy. Thank you. 23-inch snook. All right. Thank you. Yes. All right, well, the snook were stacked in these mangroves. I've been seeing them up really close up the shore. We moved in a little bit closer and I spooked a bunch of snook. And we still managed to get one to strike, but I mean, they were literally a foot off that shore. Let's try again. What's up, everybody? All right, today, whoa, it was a slow grind. Water is just so low, and you know how fishing is. You know, what was it, last week? We were finding black drum and redfish all in the shallows over at this spot. We got that 26-inch red. This time around, those flats, didn't see a dang thing. Not even any plumes. The morning started off, I fished some of the deeper areas near the mangroves, this little back area, and I did see some black drum cruising the shelf. They spooked. I wasn't able to get on them. Then I started seeing some snook, and I noticed that they were super tucked in there. I'm talking like literally in like a couple inches deep of water, a foot away from the shore. You've got the mangroves hanging over, so you've got to skip cast to get to them. And I was watching them, and you could cast right in front of them, and they still won't hit it. You got to get it back up in under there. So what I did was I noticed some movement back up in this corner, and it was a big mangrove that kind of overhang it. You had to like skip it like a good 8 feet under this mangrove tree. And as you saw, I threw a skip in there, and a couple times I landed it on the shore and kind of popped it off, and they nailed it right away. I spooked a bunch of them, but still managed to land that, what was like 23.5-inch snook, a smaller snook, and a really nice trout. Excuse me. And then after that, I mean, the fishing just died. Towards the end, I did go to that back corner again, and just wasn't seeing anything, wasn't getting any bites. I ended up snagging my lure, and I went in to get it, and I spooked them. The snook were still sitting in there. They just were being picky. You know, the water's cold. You just got all those different factors. You know, and that's why January is one of those times where a lot of inshore fishermen just take January off. You know, it is a grind. But the highlight of today's trip is we did get to meet KO. Anyway, if you guys have not checked out KO's channel, definitely go check it out. I'll have the link in the description, or you can just Google KO Fishing. He even runs charters, shore fishing, beach fishing, kayak fishing, and he's got a whole extra kayak. You can just show up and go kayak fishing, and he is going to get you on some fish. So big shout out to him. And if you guys love this kind of content, check out his channel. Anyway, I think that pretty much does it. I know I need to figure out what's going on with my GoPro. I think my GoPro knows I have the Insta360 because ever since I got it, my GoPro, I put in a battery and it's just turning on its own. It's turning off on its own. I don't know what it's doing. My GoPro is not happy with me. So maybe I need to upgrade this firmware. I'm not too sure, but we'll have to figure that out, because that pretty much does it. Like I said, real slow day, everybody. But we'll see what we get into in the next couple days. You never know what we might be up to, where we'll be, and who we might meet. So catch you in the next one. Tight lines, everybody. Peace.